If you're a business owner currently, have you ever created a service area business without choosing longitude and latitude and it ended up in the middle of the ocean? How to create a Google business profile without an address, also known as a service area business. My name is Chris Palmer, and below I will share with you the support.google.com/business community where you can find all of these resources, but I'll walk you through the process step by step. So what you will want to do, and this is one of the ways of choosing a location to set up your service area business, is you can go to Google Maps. And this is one of the ways that I love to pinpoint areas for setting up my service area businesses. Let me walk you through this. So you will want to head on over to Maps, as we just discussed, Google Maps. I'm utilizing Chrome on desktop in case you were curious, or maybe your screen or layout looks a little bit differently than mine. So what we'll want to do here is we will come on over here to Maps. I will change the layer so it looks a little bit more like normal. We'll scroll on in, and this is a town kind of similar or close to my location. I like to actually zoom in and choose the area in which, or the business or the location that I want to pinpoint. Most notably, I want to choose the front of my house, not the back or some random place, or perhaps a location that we bought. Wherever you're deciding your home base is, this is how we like to do it. So what I would recommend is you will want to go to your maps, zoom on in, find the location in which, let's say that this is your business location that you're going to mark. We'll right click, and we will add a business. So now we've chosen the longitude and latitude, the precise area that our service area business will be set up. So what you'll want to do is just add your business. Right now I'm going to go through this process like this, and then we can start building our Google business profile. We started on Maps, went to longitude and latitude, and were led directly to this particular page here, which is business.google.com/create?service. Very simple. What you'll want to do is put in your business name, the category, and for this example, I'll walk you through the process. So let's just say that it is Team Palmer. All right. The next thing is going to be what? Internist, interior internet shop? Sure. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or an office? And this is the step that determines whether you have a PIN or a service area business. Very simple. In this particular instance, you will want to put, there is another way to hide your business location if you give it to Google, or maybe you change your mind down the road, and I'll share that with you in another video. But this is how you can set up a service business. I'll walk you through another way of doing this, which is very simple. You could have just started with business.google.com like this. business.google.com/create. Right? Go to next, and then you'll start this process all over. I like to pinpoint the initial longitude and latitude, so I know without a shadow of a doubt, hey, my business is going to start here. If you're a business owner currently, have you ever created a service area business without choosing longitude and latitude and it ended up in the middle of the ocean? So have I. I dislike that immensely. That is the workaround, so you don't end up in the middle of nowhere. My name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org. Down below, you will find the links to create your service area business. Also, the community, the resource community. If you need help, you can always ask a question, or you can even give your own insights and become a product